Hey YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the door handles on a GMC or Chevrolet. Here's the truck that I'm going to be changing the door handles on. It is a 2003 GMC Sierra. Bit of JB weld here just to make it work for the last couple of years. They're pretty notorious for breaking. This side on the passenger, I don't even have a door handle. My door handles have been like this for probably close to 3 years now. I figured it's time to change it. I just went on to Amazon. I think I was about 40 bucks for the set. Comes with the clips. I'll have to use the same lock that is over here. So a couple things you're going to want to start with: impact or a socket with a 7mm, a screwdriver, small flathead, and if you have one, a trim removal. Just makes it a little easier on your plastics. What we're going to start with first is you're going to want to remove this piece up here. You're going to come over to your door lock and it just pops out. You're going to come down here. Now you're ready to take out two 7mm bolts. One is inside the lock. The other one is just underneath this door handle. Once all the plastics are off, you're simply just going to lift on the door panel. And off she comes. Now the door panel is off, I can show you. These are the tabs that hold the door panel on. This is why you have to lift it up and then out. If not, you risk breaking all these little tabs off. So when you look at your door handle, there are 1, 2, and 3 bolts that you have to undo located on the inside of the door. You also have to undo a clip like this to release the handle. That red tab you have to release. You can see here, that's one bolt. The other two are on the top corners. To release the tab, all you do is push. Flip that out of the way. And hopefully, there we go, slide that out. Now you can see the bolt is there. That'll be next. 3 bolts are off out of the back. Now simply just pull. One more tab over here. And that's it. Now I'm just gonna pull this old lock out, pop it in the new one. To do that, I'm gonna have to remove this pin that holds it. You can see it a little easier on the new one. Pull that out, slide the lock in, pop it back in. Got the lock out. You can see the clip that I had to pull out. That's the new one. To install the lock on the new door handle, you do not need to remove this clip again. You can see these guys, you can just push it right through. One thing to make sure of, make sure this is the right way, because if you put it in like that, you're gonna have to take it all out again. So make sure this goes in the proper way. There we go. Lock is in. The install, exact same as taking the old one out. I'm gonna pop these red and green clips back on. Pop that in, tighten the 3 bolts from the inside, and throw my door panel back on. Now that I've got all the bolts tightened down, looks a lot nicer. No more JB Weld. Test it out. And that's it. It's the exact same for the passenger side. You're going to want to line up the bottom first. Start a little higher than where it needs to be, pushing against the door, and slide it down. And that's it. Put your 7mm bolts back in. When you're ghetto like me, we got manual windows and manual locks. Pop that bad boy on. The red or orange part of your door lock is towards the back of the door or the rear of the truck. Perfect. This guy, clip on the bottom. It goes in first. And there we are. Door panel is back in. Lock works. Handle works. Manpower windows. Definitely just locked the keys in my truck. There we are. Final product. passenger side. Now I finally, after 3 years, have a door handle. Driver's side. Works good. Thanks for watching.